Alright guys, this just came in the mail. This is my new action camera. The CamPark ACT74. It just came from Amazon. I ordered it a couple days ago. And here it is. Pretty excited about this. This cost, well, it was listed at, how was it listed? $54, $55, something like that. And then a $15 off. So, I don't know. Actually, it ended up costing me, with tax and everything, $42 and some odd cents. So, compared to the lowest end, GoPro, it's a no-brainer. I'm not spending 200 bucks on a GoPro. I can get 5 of these. So anyway, here's what we get in the box, and I'm opening this for the very first time, so I'm learning all this stuff along with you. So here's your instruction manual. Surprise. Thanks. Okay. I don't know what this is all about. Let's see. You get a free gift. Ooh, how about that? To redeem free gift, you can get the dual slot dock charger, so you can charge both your batteries at once, it looks like. Waterproof case, selfie stick, and floating handlebar. Alright, that's cool. So that's kind of neat. So free gift already, and I haven't even opened it up. Alright, this side I've got the camera itself inside a waterproof case, which it looks like you pop up like so, and out pops the camera. So this is something that I was interested in, and that's why I'm taking this out for you guys. Hopefully, somehow, it comes out of here. What's in there? Pretty good. Well, I can tell you this, it's not going to move around in the case while you're filming. Okay, rock that back and forth. So let's take a look at the camera itself. So there you got the wide angle lens there. Okay, you got a power and mode button on the front. 2 sensors here, I'm not sure what they're for. There's a little light on top here. There's a OK button that's like a trigger button. Okay, here you've got the standard up and down kind of menu things, and then here, okay, so just like my old action cam, you've got the USB in, you've got the Wi-Fi, or not Wi-Fi, I'm sorry, this is where the memory card goes. So yeah, so that's good to know, because I was looking for that to see where the memory card goes. You got 2 batteries, so you can charge one while you're using the other one. That's cool. And then you get, they told me it came with all these accessories, and I'm guessing they're all in this box. So let's see what accessories we get. Okay, I don't know what that's for. It looks like it's another door for the waterproof part. There's a strap adapter. There's a clamp. You put that like on handlebars or something like that. Here's your cable. Okay, more GoPro kind of accessory parts here. Quite a few of them actually. Okay. Rotating mount. This is a camera mount. I have a ton of those already, but hey, what the heck, it's free. A bunch of, okay, wire, a couple zip ties, some straps. What else in here? Oh, some 2-way tape, looks like. Sorry, lens cleaner cloth. It's always useful. Okay, a rotating mount, so it like spins, and 2 slide-on clamp type mounts. I guess you could like tape these to your tape them to your dashboard, so you could use your CamPark as a dash cam. So all this stuff for $42, actually, pretty good deal, I would say, because I have an old DP 5000, and I was going to buy a battery for it, but it looks like, I wonder if this battery works in that. That'll be another video. But yeah, for the price of a replacement battery, not much more. I get a whole new camera. And like I said, for the price of this, I could buy 5 of these and still be less than the $200 GoPro that I saw at Target. So that's the unboxing for the model ACT74 CamPark camera. I hope this was informative. I hope that this helps you with your decision on whether or not to buy one. Certainly seems like a win-win for me. So I'm pretty happy about it. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below, and I'll be shooting with this camera soon enough, and we'll show you some of the features on the camera once I get to be an expert with it. So, all right. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, like it, and if you subscribe to the channel, that really helps me. So hit that subscribe button for me. I appreciate it. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. Take care.